I wrote the song Kücho, my prayer, when I was in 11th grade. I can still vividly remember the moment when I knelt before the Lord to pray. My heart was heavy and in turmoil. I cried out to the Lord and felt the weight lifting off my heart. If you're out there struggling with anything and in need of a breakthrough, I am here to testify that our God is still able. He can set you free. Pray, surrender, and come to Him. In Hebrews 13:8 it says, Jesus Christ is still the same yesterday, today, and forever. He loves you so much and He welcomes you each day alike.
Nyepo ince voyo, küku tamo kütsü. Nyepo no tha, kücho runyi süte. Lüzhe kopı ince poyo, poyo. Nyepo